Okay, so we walk in here, get some lights on. You'll have your garage over to the left. Nice amount for one car garage there. To your right, you have a coat closet here. Pretty good size, reach-in closet. That's your stairs to go up, but we have another finished space here. Little workout area. Powder room. Washer and dryer. Utility closet. Heading upstairs. Have the kitchen. Small island. Pantry. And a dining area. And outside you have a deck. Pretty nice view. It's your living area. And a powder room. The main living area. Heading upstairs, you'll have the master bath or master bedroom. Master bath is ensuite. Shower. Double sinks. And a nice size walk-in closet here. Additional reach-in linen closet. We have an additional bathroom upstairs, shower and single sink. Bedroom 2, another pretty good sized bedroom with a reach-in closet. And bedroom 3, a little bit smaller, but perfect for a small bed or a desk area. And a decent sized little coat closet there. And that's it.